Good morning, students. This is Sanchita ma'am. Let's begin the new topic shoot system from lesson 7 Getting to Know Plants. Shoot system. It is the main part of the plant that grows above the soil. It consists of the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Stem. Stem is a very important part of a plant. In most plant, stems are quite strong and hold the plant upright. The stem of the tree is known as the trunk, which is covered with a tough outer layer called bark. Bark protects the inner part of the tree. The small outgrowths on the stem of a plant are called buds. Buds are of two types, apical bud and axillary bud. Apical bud is present at the top of the shoot. It is responsible for the upward growth of the plant. Axillary buds are found between the stem and the leaf stalk. Axillary buds give rise to many new branches, that is, the lateral branches of the plant. The part of a stem where a leaf arises is called node. The region of the stem between the two adjacent nodes is called the internode. Functions of stem. The main functions of stem are: the stem bears and supports the branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Leaves are arranged on the stem in such a way that they get proper sunlight for preparing food by photosynthesis. The stem helps in the conduction of water and minerals absorbed by the roots of the plant. It also conducts prepared food from the leaves to various parts of the plant, such as roots, stem, and fruits. Stems of some plants are modified to perform some additional function. Let us study some of the stem modifications and their functions. Stems of plants like ginger, onion, and potato develop underground. They become thick and fleshy due to the storage of food. Plants like cactus grow in desert or in very dry places. In such plants, the stem is modified into a thick, fleshy, and green structure. These stems manufacture food by photosynthesis and also conserve water. In some plants like citrus and bougainvillea, the buds in the stem are modified into hard, pointed, and sharp structures called spines or thorns, which prevent animals from eating the plant.